2 million people around the world already know Pawns.app offers the best way to turn your free time into cash. If you've ever wished for a quick and easy way to boost your income with zero hassle, this is where it's at. Hey there, Pawns.app tribe, I'm Trevor, and in this video, we'll show you how to start using Pawns.app and earn extra money in 2024. We'll walk you through the installation process, the payout details, and all the main features that will help you make the most out of it. So stay tuned until the end. Now, before we get started, let me remind you that Pawns.app is completely free to download and install. More importantly, it works on any device, anywhere. So if you want to use it on your PC or any other desktop device, visit the Pawns.app website and hit the download button. If you want to use it on your smartphone, whether it's an Android or iPhone, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you've installed Pawns.app, open the application on your device. You'll see the sign-in page, but since you're new, click on the sign up option to create an account. You can either continue with Google or sign up by entering your email, password, and any coupon or referral code you might have. If you use a referral code to sign up, you'll get a $1 bonus plus $2 more after the first 2 payouts. That's an extra $3 just for using the code. You can get a code from a friend or any other existing Pawns.app user. Make sure you ask around because you both get the $3 bonus. After hitting the sign up button, you'll get a verification email within seconds. Once you are verified, you can start exploring the app and all the ways it allows you to earn. If you're using the desktop version, launch it to start sharing your bandwidth and earning money immediately. It's as straightforward as can be. Just set it and forget it. As for the mobile version, there's a whole universe of earning opportunities to explore. For starters, look for the Share Internet button on the app's homepage. Turn it on to start earning 100% passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. So basically, you can use your phone or internet however you like, and as long as the option is enabled, you'll be earning money. You could even be asleep or not touch your phone at all, and your balance will still be increasing. It's that easy. And of course, you can always turn it off whenever you want. It's completely up to you. Pawns.app Games is exactly what it sounds like. A feature that lets you play online games, only this time you get paid for it. It's fun and easy, so trust me, you don't want to miss it. Here's how it works. Select the Earn tab and look for the Games cards. Click on it to access our rich game catalog offering all kinds of mobile games. We've got everything from puzzles and racers to looters and shooters. Pick your favorite game and let the fun begin. All that's left is to start playing and watching your earnings grow. As long as you complete the tasks as described and follow the game rules, you'll see cash flowing into your Pawns.app account. Your earnings will automatically be added to your balance, so your job is to just enjoy playing. Even if your balance doesn't change right after completing a task, don't worry, your money is on its way. The best part is that there are no limits. You can play as many games as you want and watch your wallet level up. Just remember to keep an eye on reward conditions and your progress for each game. Also, don't forget to grant permissions when necessary. The Surveys tab shows you all the available online surveys you can take at that moment. They are short, fun, and high converting, so you can earn some cash while waiting in line, commuting, or whenever you have a few moments to spare. You can visit the link in the description to find if our surveys are available in your country. Even if your country is not on the list, keeping an eye on the Surveys tab is always a good idea, because you're bound to see some action in there at least once in a while. Once you complete a survey, your earnings will go straight to your balance, which you can check anytime on the app's homepage. There's no points to convert. You see exactly how much you've earned right after completing each survey. And if you see an error, don't worry. Sometimes it happens. Don't be discouraged. We compiled a list of the most common technical issues to help you solve them and get back to earning. So make sure you check out the video linked in the description whenever you're having trouble. If your problem just won't go away, don't hesitate to contact our support or ask the community for a helping hand. The Quest tab offers daily, weekly, and monthly quests where you need to complete a simple task or reach a specific goal in exchange for Pawns points. Don't worry, it's quick and easy stuff, like checking out our socials, completing a survey or two, and so on. Once you get your points, you can turn them into all sorts of rewards. Cash, lucky draw tickets, earning boosts, and more. Spin the wheel takes things to the next level, with a chance to earn even more points. Tickets and up to $5 in cash. Everyone gets a free spin every 24 hours. If you're feeling extra lucky, you can get additional spins for just 10 points a pop. Pawns.app challenges. To add an extra dose of excitement to your Pawns.app activities, you're in for a treat. Here's how it works. Find the shiny New Challenges button and tap on it. You'll be greeted with a calculator that offers 4 sliders. Want to conquer more surveys? Pump up the slider. Ready for some intensive internet sharing? Slide it up. Want to invite friends to join the party? Go for it. Feeling like doing some extra quests? you know what to do. Here's the fun part. You can adjust these sliders as you wish. Once you've customized your challenge, you'll see the sweet reward waiting for you on top. All that's left is to tap the start button and you're good to go. Each challenge takes 7 days. If you reach all your goals, congratulations, it's reward time. If not, no worries. You'll have to wait for the challenge to end, and you can tackle it again. The community tab is where you'll find your unique referral link. You can share it with your friends or followers via social media, email, or any other platform. You can also generate QR codes, unique videos with your referral code, and more to bring more people to Pawns.app and boost your earnings. Don't forget to set a nickname so they know it's you. For each referral, you get $3 plus a bonus of 10% on their earnings forever. This tab also enables you to check on your invitees and how your earning journey is going. On top of that, you can use the poke feature to send them a few words of encouragement or thank them for their efforts. With all these earning options, you'll easily reach the minimum payout threshold of just $5. You can request a payout via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift card, depending on your country. And that's it. You're now ready to take full advantage of everything Pawns.app has to offer and start putting extra money in your pocket. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for great tips on maximizing your earnings with Pawns.app. Hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy earning!